Hello, good morning to everyone. I'm Atik Ahmed and today I'm going to start exercise 4C from question 6. Okay, because question 1 to 5 we have covered in the previous video. So in this video I will start with question 6, students. And question 6 says find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. Now part A says 2 whole 1 upon 2 of 3 whole 1 upon 5. Okay, now students, you must know that first we have to convert these mixed fraction into improper. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 upon 2. Off means multiply, 3 5s are or 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 1 16, so 16 upon 5. Okay, now what we can do, we can reduce this 5 and this 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5, and 2 ones are 2, and 2 eights are 16. So finally 1 into 8 upon 1 into 1, so 8 upon 1. And when 1 is there in the denominator, we do not write it. So your answer is 8. Okay, now part C says 5 whole 1 upon 5, 5 whole 1 upon 5 of 10 upon 13. Okay, to change this mixed fraction into improper, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 1 26 upon 5 of means multiply 10 upon 13. Now students, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26. So finally we have got 2 into 2 in the numerator and 1 into 1 in the denominator. So 2 twos are 4, 1 ones are 1. So your answer is 4. Okay. In the same way, you can do all the parts of question 6. Now next is question 7, and this question says simplify part A 1 whole 1 upon 2 whole square. Okay, this is whole square. This 2, as you can see here, this 2 is called whole square. Okay, so 1 whole 1 upon 2 whole square. So students, how are you going to solve it? First of all, change the mixed fraction into improper. So 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3, 3 upon 2 whole square. 3 upon 2 whole square means 3 upon 2 into 3 upon 2. Okay, if you have to square any number, for example you have to find the square of 2. So what you have to do, you have to just multiply 2 into 2. 3 square means 3 into 3. So this is the rule. That is why 3 upon 2 square means 3 upon 2 multiplied by 3 upon 2. So 3 3s are 9. Okay, and 2 2s are 4. 9 upon 4. This is the answer. Question 7, part B. Question 8, part B is 2 whole 1 upon 2 of 3 whole 2 upon 3 multiply by 3 whole 3 upon 4 of 1 whole 1 upon 7. Okay, now we are going to solve it. First of all, change all the mixed fraction into improper. So 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 upon 2, off means multiply, 3 threes are 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 upon 3, multiply 3 fours are 12, 12 plus 3 15 upon 4, multiply 4 7 was a 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 upon 7. So students, I have changed all the mixed fraction into improper. Now we will see that what number can we reduce in cross. So 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. Okay. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So finally 5 into 11 into 5 into 1. Okay. 5 into 11 into 5 into 1. This is 11. And 1 into 1 into 1 into 7 in the denominator. So 5 into 11, 55, 55 into 5, 110 upon 7. This is the answer. Okay, students. So this was question 8, part B. Now question 9. Question 9 says simplify. Part A, 45 plus 2 upon 5 multiply by 2 whole 1 upon 2. So students, what we are going to do now, first of all, there is no denominator in 45. So write 45 upon 1 plus 2 upon 5 into, change this mixed fraction into improper. 2 twos are 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 upon 2. Fine. So now students, 5 5 cancel, 2 2 cancel. What we have got? We have got 45. Okay, don't write anything in the denominator of 45 because we don't need it here. So I'm not writing anything in the denominator of 45. Now students, 45 plus, here everything is cancelled. What is left? 1 is left. So 45 plus 1 is 46, and that is your answer. Okay students. Now question 10, let me solve question 10 now. Question 10 says Mrs. Bhatra has a plot of land and she plants vegetables on 2 upon 3 of the land. 6 upon 7 of the vegetables planted are green vegetables. What fraction of the land is planted with green vegetables? Students, you can find this question on page number 63 in your book. This is question 10. I'm not writing the question, but I'm writing the solution. Okay, you can watch the question from the book. Okay, now Miss Bhatra has a plot of land. She planted vegetables on 2 by 3 of the land. So write land on which vegetables are planted is equal to 2 by 3. 6 upon 7 of the vegetables planted are green vegetables. What fraction of the land is planted with green vegetables? 6 by 7 students of the vegetables planted are green vegetables. So green vegetables is equal to 6 by 7 of the vegetable planted. Now we have to find what fraction of the land is planted with green vegetables. So we have to basically find fraction of land with green vegetables, and that is what? That is, we can say 2 by 3. So write 2 by 3 multiply by 6 by 7. Okay. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 2 twos are 1 into 7. So 2 twos are 4, 4 upon 7. So your answer is 4 upon 7. This is the answer. Okay, students. This was question 10. Now question 11. This question says a rectangle measure 6 whole 4 upon 5 centimeter by 8 upon 17 centimeter. Find its area. So the length and breadth of a rectangle is given. We can say length of rectangle is equal to 6 whole 4 upon 5 meter centimeter. Okay, and breadth of rectangle is equal to 8 upon 17 centimeter, and we have to find the area. So what is the area of a rectangle? It is length into breadth. This is length, this is breadth. So now multiply 6 whole 4 upon 5 to 8 upon 17. Okay, now change this mixed fraction into improper. So we can write it 8 6 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4 34 upon 5 into 8 upon 17. Now 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34. So 2 into 8 upon 5 into 1. 8 twos are 16 or 5 ones are 5 centimeter square. Okay. Now centimeter square, student, is the unit which we will use here. So centimeter square is the unit of area. Okay. So your answer is 16 upon 5 centimeter square. Question 12, students, you have to do. So students, your homework is you have to do question 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Question 6 to 12. Question 6 to 12, this is your homework. Okay, students? Thank you.